If you've ever seen the "Your connection is not private" error on Google Chrome, you know how frustrating it can be. It can block you from opening websites, logging in, or even finishing simple tasks online. The good news is that this issue is often caused by a time setting, a browser cache problem, or a corrupted SSL state, and in this video I'll show you how to fix it step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to make sure your system time and date are correct, because Chrome relies on accurate time to verify security certificates. Start by right-clicking on the clock in the taskbar. A menu will appear, and from there click Adjust Date and Time. This opens your system time settings. Now look for the option that says Set Time Automatically and toggle it on. This makes Windows update your clock from the correct internet time source. After that, scroll down to the Additional Settings section and click the Sync Now button. This forces a fresh network time update right away, which can instantly resolve certificate mismatches. Once that's done, try reopening Chrome and visiting the website again. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to test the site in Incognito Mode. This is useful because Incognito helps isolate whether the problem is being caused by a damaged browser cache or a browser extension that's interfering with the connection. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. A new private window will open. Now type in the website address and see if it loads normally. If the site works in incognito, that's a strong sign that your regular browser data is the issue. In that case, you'll want to clear your browser data next. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or open the Chrome menu and find the Clear Browsing Data option manually. Set the time range to all time so everything is removed. Then make sure cookies and other site data is selected, along with cached images and files. Those two items are the most important for this type of issue. Once those boxes are checked, click Clear Data. After the process finishes, close Chrome completely and open it again. Then revisit the website and check whether the error is gone. If the problem still continues, the next fix is to clear the system SSL state. This is important because a corrupted SSL certificate cache at the operating system level can prevent Chrome from creating a secure connection. To do this, click the Windows Start menu, type Internet Options, and press Enter. When the Internet Options window opens, go to the Content tab at the top. In that tab, you'll see a button labeled Clear SSL State. Click it, then click OK to confirm. This clears the stored SSL session data and gives Chrome a fresh start when it tries to connect securely. After that, restart Chrome and test the website again. In many cases, one of these three fixes will solve the error completely. Start with the time and date, then test Incognito Mode, then clear your browser data, and finally clear the SSL state if needed. That simple order helps you troubleshoot quickly without wasting time. If you want, you can also refresh the page after each step to see which fix worked. And that's how to fix the "Your connection is not private" error on Google Chrome. I hope this guide saved you some time and got your website loading properly again. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more easy computer tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.